आज का ये जो है मजलिस बहुत देर से शुरू हुई, लेकिन जैसे कहते हैं ना कि मेरी तामीर में मुज़मिर है एक सूरत खराबी की, तो इस खराबी में भी एक मुज़मिर थी तामीर की सूरत, और वो ये थी कि हमें इतना वक्त मिल गया कि यहाँ खड़े हुए हमने साइंस सुच्चा साहब के साथ लाहौर के बारे में और ख़ासतौर पर मुजंग के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें की। साइंस सुच्चा is one of the few people who is a very proud Punjabi, even a prouder Lahori, but the proudest Muzangi. Because what happens is Lahore is, of course, a beautiful place, no doubt about that, but it also has its jealousy, regional jealousies. People hate Lahore as much as they love Lahore. It's like the Toronto of Punjab or Toronto of Pakistan in a way. So one thing that the critics of Lahore would say is कि लाहौर के लोग बहुत बुज़दिल हो गए. Now, the reason I mention that is that after reading, Khalid Suhail gave me a book called Roots of Misery. After reading that book, I realized how brave Science Sucha has been. And the reason I mentioned this brave and cowardice thing is because there was a book written by an elderly gentleman who wrote a book on Punjabi century, and I was sharing it with Science Sucha. In that Punjabi century, he said, if you go to a Lahori, और अगर लाहौरी देखेगा कि आप उससे कमजोर हैं, तो वो आपकी बड़ी पिटाई करेगा, आपको चढ़ जाएगा. लेकिन जैसे ही उसने ये देखा कि आप बहुत बड़े हैं, उससे बहुत ताकतवर हैं, उनके लंबे चौड़े हैं, तो वो कहेगा, उसने फिर इंग्लिश में किताब लिखी थी, वो कहेगा, "Oh kings, let it go, there is no talk." तो मैं हैरान हो रहा था कि क्या मतलब इसका? Then suddenly dawned on me, it's just बादशाह जान दो, गाली कोई नहीं. So try to see that बादशाह, kings, जान दो, let it go, गाली कोई नहीं, there is no talk. So with that, I will sacrifice the speech I was going to make commenting on the book Roots of Misery, because for the simple reason, time really is of essence, and we want to hear Science Sucha as much as possible. What I will do though, I will just introduce him to the audience in the way I find extremely safe. And the reason I find extremely safe is frankly, you know, if you read his book, he has managed somehow, in one go, wherever his pen could reach, he has managed to offend almost everyone. He is one of the few people who can say, अपने भी खफा मुझसे हैं, बेगाने भी नाखुश, मैं ज़हरे इलाही को कभी कह न सका. His book is so ruthlessly, so brutally honest and bold that in that he shows us the mirror in which we see our own ugliness. We are actually scared. We are scared like Ghalib was scared when he said, पानी से सब गजीदा डरे जिस तरह असद, डरता हूँ आईने से के मर्दम गजीदा. He has shown us that face in that book and not spared absolutely anyone, whether it is about languages which were imposed on Punjab and Sindh and Baluchistan and Bengali speaking East Pakistan, and look at the destruction that has caused, whether it is about religion that he has very boldly analyzed and its impact on Pakistan and its population, whether it's the leadership, which from Jinnah to Zia, because this is an older book, he has written, and in the same old book, I was always interested while reading it, what was his evolution, how did he come about? And as I said, frankly, I cannot take that chance, I'm not as bold as he is, so instead of giving my own words, I will use his words. But the only thing is, I'll change the pronoun from I to he and me, to him. So, here it goes. It's truth, nothing but the truth, so help me Lord. He descended upon the earth in 1941 when the majority of the inhabitants seemed intent to do away with this planet. He had 3 mothers. He has 10 brothers and 4 sisters. He was exposed to Islam